Good morning, students. Today we are going to do map activity from chapter 5 Minerals and Energy Resources. Students, by now you must be aware that from this chapter, theory based questions will not be asked, right? This chapter is only meant for map plotting. Okay, so let's start. Iron ore mines. Now here are few iron ore mines which we are going to locate it on the map of India. Okay. First one Mayurbhanj, second one Durg, third Bailadila, fourth Ballari, fifth Kudremukh. Now students, once you know in which states these iron ore mines are located, it will be easy for you to locate it on the outline map of India. Okay. So let us learn about these iron ore mines, like in which state are they located. Mayurbhanj is located in Odisha, Durg is located in Chhattisgarh, Bailadila is also located in Chhattisgarh, Ballari in Karnataka, Kudremukh in Karnataka. Okay, now let us try to locate the iron ore mines on the outline map of India. I hope you all are ready for the same. Okay, be ready with the map so that simultaneously when I am locating it on the map of India, you also locate it. Let's start. First one, Mayurbhanj. Okay, Mayurbhanj is in Odisha. Right, see here I have put the symbol. I have put the arrow mark. I have written question number 1 in small Roman numerals. Now I am going to write here Mayurbhanj. Okay. Okay, so Mayurbhanj is in Odisha. Second one, Durg. Okay, Durg is in Chhattisgarh. Here, see, I have put an arrow mark. I have written the question number as well in small Roman numerals. Okay, now here I am going to write Durg. Durg is in Chhattisgarh. Okay, question number 3. Bailadila. Again, Bailadila is also in Chhattisgarh. See here, number 3. Here, I have already put the symbol. I have written the question number 3. Okay. Now here, I am going to write Bailadila. Okay, students. Okay. So, Durg and Bailadila both are in Chhattisgarh. Now question number 4, that is Ballari. Ballari is in Karnataka. Now here students, see question number 4. Yes, border of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Here is Ballari. Okay, so here I have put the symbol, I have put the arrow mark. Now I am going to write here Ballari. Is that clear? Now the 5th question is Kudremukh. Okay, Kudremukh is also located in Karnataka state. Okay, here question number 5. I have already put the symbol, I have put the arrow mark, I have written the question number. Now I am going to write here Kudremukh. Here no space, so I am writing K and H down. Okay. So students, I hope you have understood. Once again, Mayurbhanj is located in Odisha, Durg and Bailadila in Chhattisgarh, Ballari and Kudremukh in Karnataka. So students, I hope you will remember this. Okay. Now let us move to coal mines. Okay. Coal mines. Number 1, Raniganj. Number 2, Bokaro. Number 3, Talcher. Number 4, Neyveli. Now students, again the same case. Once you know in which states are these coal mines situated or located, then it would be easy for you to locate it on the political map of India. Okay, so let's learn about it. Raniganj is located in West Bengal, Bokaro in Jharkhand, Talcher in Odisha, Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. Once again, Raniganj in West Bengal, Bokaro in Jharkhand, Talcher in Odisha, Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now let us locate these coal mines on the political map of India. Okay. Question number 1, Raniganj. Students, we had already learned that Raniganj is in West Bengal, right? See, here in West Bengal, I have symbol, I have put the arrow mark. I have put the question number as well. Now I am going to write here Raniganj. Okay. Number 2 is Bokaro. Students, see, Bokaro I have already marked in Jharkhand. Can you see? I put the symbol, I put the question number. Now I am going to write here Bokaro. Okay. Number 3 is Talcher. Yes, Talcher is in Odisha. I have already put the symbol, students. Can you see? Yes, I have put the question number as well. Now I have to write here Talcher. Talcher is in Odisha. Okay. The fourth one is Neyveli. Yes, Neyveli is in Tamil Nadu. See, I have already marked Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. Now I am going to write Neyveli. Okay, now let us revise. Raniganj is in West Bengal. Bokaro is in Jharkhand. Talcher in Odisha. And Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. Okay? Yes, you need to remember this. Next, now we are going to learn about thermal power plants. Okay? In our country. Namrup. First one is Namrup, second one Singrauli, third is Ramagundam. Okay. Now let's see their location. Namrup is located in Assam. Singrauli is located in Madhya Pradesh. And Ramagundam is located in Telangana. Okay. Once again, Namrup is located in Assam. Singrauli is located in Madhya Pradesh. Ramagundam is located in Telangana. Okay. Now let us try to locate these on the outline map of India. See, students, I have already located it, right? I have put the symbol, I have put the arrow mark, I have written the question number. Okay. I have to just write the names. See the first one, Namrup. Can you see the first one? Yes, I have located it in Assam. So, I am going to write Namrup here. Okay. Second one, Singrauli. Now, where is Singrauli? See, students, the second one, Singrauli, I have marked in Madhya Pradesh, to the easternmost side of Madhya Pradesh. So, here I am going to write Singrauli. Yes. The third one is Ramagundam. Now, where is Ramagundam? Yes, it is in Telangana. Okay. So, I have already marked the third one here, students. Ramagundam in Telangana. Now, I am going to write the name. Ramagundam. Okay. Next one, nuclear power plants. First one, Narora. Second, Tarapur. Third, Kakrapara. Fourth one, Kalpakam. Okay. Now, let us see where are these nuclear power plants situated, or in which state are they located. Okay. Narora in Uttar Pradesh. Tarapur in Maharashtra. Kakrapara in Gujarat. And Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Students, now let us try to plot these nuclear power plants on political map of India. First one, Narora. See, students, I had already marked Narora in Uttar Pradesh, right? Now I am going to write Narora. Narora is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Second one, Tarapur. Tarapur in Maharashtra. See, students, I had already marked Tarapur, right? Here I am going to write Tarapur. Okay. Third one is Kakrapara. See, I have marked Kakrapara in Gujarat. Okay. I am writing here Kakrapara. Okay. The fourth one is Kalpakam. Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu. So students, see, in Tamil Nadu I put the symbol. I have written the question number. Right here I am going to write Kalpakam. Okay, let's revise. Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kakrapara in Gujarat, Tarapur in Maharashtra, and Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So I hope you have understood this. Now, next we are going to learn about oil fields. Okay. Here are few oil fields. Okay. First one Digboy. Second one Nahar Katia. Third one Mumbai High. Fourth Kalol. Fifth Ankaleshwar. Okay. Now Digboy is located in Assam. Nahar Katia also in Assam. Mumbai High in Arabian Sea. Okay. Fourth Kalol in Gujarat. Fifth Ankaleshwar also in Gujarat. Once again Digboy Assam. Nahar Katia also Assam. Mumbai High in Arabian Sea. Kalol in Gujarat. Ankaleshwar in Gujarat. Okay. Now let us try to locate these oil fields on political map of India. Okay. First one Digboy. Now you all know that Digboy is in Assam. Okay. I have already marked. I put the symbol. I put the question number. I put the arrow mark. Now I am going to write Digboy. Okay. Second one is Nahar Katia. Now Nahar Katia is also in Assam. Okay. It is close to Digboy. So here I will write Nahar Katia. Okay. Third one is Mumbai High. Now you all know, students, the location of Mumbai High, right? In Arabian Sea. I have already marked. I am going to write Mumbai High. I don't have space, so I am writing here down. Okay. Mumbai High. Now next one is Kalol. Kalol is in Gujarat. Okay. Fourth one Kalol. See, I have already marked here Kalol. Okay. I am writing here Kalol. Okay. Below that I have marked Ankaleshwar. Ankaleshwar is also in Gujarat. Okay. I am writing here Ankaleshwar. Okay, students. Here I don't have space, so I have written in this way. You are going to write neatly. Okay. So let us revise. First one Digboy. Second one Nahar Katia, both in Assam. Okay. Third Mumbai High in Arabian Sea. Fourth Kalol and fifth Ankaleshwar, both in Gujarat. I hope it is clear. So students, we have done with the map plotting of this chapter. I want you to complete the map practice book which you have got. Okay. Practice well, students. And from exam point of view, I'll tell you, nuclear power plants and thermal power plants, these both are very, very important. So practice well. Okay, students. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.